So first install your campus care. After that you will get this page. Okay, open that campus care app. Then here you have to type St Teresa Bolpur .ntab.info. Okay, this one you type St Teresa Bolpur .ntab.info, and afterwards just press verify button. At this page here it will be written St Teresa's School Bolpur. This logo will be given. Okay, then here you have to enter your id and password. If you don't know, then you have to go to forward password option. Here after clicking this forward password option, you will get one screen will appear where you have to enter your registered mobile number. You enter your registered mobile number, and then you will get a SMS with your ID and password. ID will be your admission number,